This is completely insane. Nobody has ever told us this will happen. Experts have just unveiled a plan that would allow every XRP Ripple holders to make $100,000. Seems intriguing, doesn't it? Plus, if Ripple's CEO hadn't beaten the SEC, this whole thing wouldn't have happened. Indeed, that is the precise action taking place in the background. Miss it, you will. Prepare to have your life turned upside down by that video. Allow me to walk you through each step. Important notice, thus XRP, the Bitcoin market, has relied on Ripple for a long time. However, a watershed moment for the future of the digital asset has occurred with the recent closure of the SEC against Ripple lawsuit. A long-awaited court struggle has finally come to a close, and Ripple has emerged as the clear winner. This has sent a surge of hope through its community and the wider financial sector. The sale of XRP as an unregistered securities was at the heart of the SEC's case against Ripple, which commenced in December 2020. Both Ripple's business operations and XRP's reputation in the international market were jeopardized by this case. Stuart Alderode, chief legal officer of Ripple, boasted that Ripple had won hands down. Following Judge Annalisa Torres's July 2023 ruling that XRP is not a security in secondary market transactions, this proclamation was made. Ripple's legal standing has been further strengthened by the subsequent upholding of the verdict. The Bitcoin business will be greatly affected by this verdict. This decision could have far-reaching consequences for the categorization and regulation of other digital assets. A large portion of the XRP community agrees with Alderode that this is a watershed moment for Ripple's future and not merely a legal triumph. There is little hope of an appeal to the SEC. Reversals occur in 10% of appeals, as pointed out by Alderode. This data provides more evidence that Ripple's legal issues have been resolved. This verdict will have repercussions outside of the courtroom as well. Santander, SBI Holdings, and the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce are just a few of the hundreds of banks and financial institutions throughout the world that have embraced Ripple's technology. The fact that these organizations are using Ripple's technology to make international payments easier and faster is proof of XRP's practical value. In addition, the lawsuit's resolution has revitalized the Ripple ecosystem. The market has been very active recently thanks to traders' optimism spurred by the greater clarity surrounding XRP's legal status. Further evidence of Ripple's momentum is the announcement of Swell 2024. The company's flagship event, set for October 15th and 16th, features a roster that includes prominent figures in the fields of blockchain, financial technology, and payments like Superintendent Adrian Harris and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple and its community are gearing up for a monumental occasion. In the long run, XRP might benefit greatly from Ripple's legal triumph. Now that the legal landscape is clear, Ripple can put regulatory uncertainty behind it and concentrate on growing its technology and services. There is more hope than ever before for XRP's future as Ripple expands its connections with banks and introduces new innovations. Finally, let's get down to the business of what everyone's been waiting for. When Ripple's XRP finally takes off, settle in, because the most recent forecasts are just jaw-dropping. The predictions that the experts are sharing are absolutely astounding, and they are all abuzz with enthusiasm. What they're talking about, the potential of XRP, is really unbelievable, I promise you. This is something you should hear. So there has been a lot of buzz in the market recently due to tweets like XRP is breaking out again from Jack the Rippler and XRP explosive move incoming from XRP Captain. Then there's a Minix's audacious declaration everything is about to alter in a way you can never imagine. Get ready. Price of XRP drops to $50. These claims, albeit exaggerated, are reflective of the widespread opinion that XRP is about to experience a watershed moment. This is just the beginning of the speculation. Whiplash, a prominent personality in the cryptocurrency community, has made a daring prediction. He thinks XRP may reach a staggering $125 per token. According to his research, the massive daily trading volume of the world currency market, which reached $7.5 trillion in April 2022, is comparable to the circulating supply of XRP. It is believed that in order for XRP to significantly aid in FX transactions, its price would have to skyrocket to accommodate the requisite liquidity. Keep in mind that my prediction is just that, a prediction, notwithstanding how intriguing it may be. Given the complexity and wide variety of players in the foreign exchange market, it seems unlikely that XRP or any other asset could ever control such a large market. Achieving $125 for XRP would necessitate an extraordinary degree of acceptance and integration into worldwide financial institutions, which is certainly doable but far from imminent. Whiplash also proposed that XRP Holders may earn income by lending and holding their cryptocurrency, a concept known as staking which could lead to large gains. He imagines a future where staking 1,000 XRP, each worth $100, could theoretically generate $100,000 per day. Assuming a 100% return rate, this forecast is a reflection of the optimism surrounding XRP's potential in the financial ecosystem, albeit it is borderline ridiculous. You should take these forecasts with a grain of salt, though. Because that is how the crypto world works. Many things, including changes in regulation, new technologies, and public opinion, can affect the course of cryptocurrency markets, which are known for their extreme volatility. Severely pessimistic predictions like these are easily pointed out by critics like Zach Humphreys. Still, he and others share the pessimism that XRP will go much beyond $100, much less $125. And that's not all. The major participants in the cryptocurrency market, known as whales, have begun buying up XRP in the millions, which has the market on edge. Therefore, why are these huge investors acting so daringly right now? You might be astounded at the explanation. Make sure you don't miss out on this by staying tuned. One of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance, has received a substantial deposit of 33 million XRP, or around 19.7 million USD, in the last 13 hours alone. The crypto community took notice of this huge move right away, leading some to speculate that a major sell-off might be imminent. While speculation swirled, XRP-focused explorer Bithomp sought to set the record straight. Instead of an outside whale trying to unload its holdings, Binance itself transferred the funds. The story shifted from panic to the fundamental tendencies. In XRP's market activity, after this disclosure deflated the fear of an impending dump. The mystery around XRP was already building when another large transaction occurred. At the same time, the well-known cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp received 25 million XRP, which is worth almost $15 million. This transfer is intriguing since it originated from a Ripple wallet, the firm behind XRP. The move emphasizes Ripple's continued involvement in token management and distribution, as well as its relationship with exchanges such as Bitstamp, which supports RippleNet, Ripple's payment network. The significance of these large payments goes beyond that of ordinary financial dealings. Their existence is evidence of the increasing value and activity of XRP in the market. Increased trading volume on these key exchanges for XRP is indicative of rising demand for the coin and might set the stage for substantial price increases in the near future. It is well known that whales or extremely large Bitcoin holdings significantly affect market prices. Massive trades in tokens, whether bought or sold, can drive up or down the value of an asset. A huge price pump could occur if these major players start to buy XRP in bulk, as indicated by certain recent transactions. Just follow the logic. Scarcity arises when whales purchase huge quantities of XRP, reducing the market supply. When supply is limited and demand is high, prices tend to rise, leading to a potentially dramatic move, according to some in the community. On the other hand, nobody can ever really know what drives whales. Will favorable occurrences like as the end of Ripple's legal fights or the formation of new collaborations cause them to accumulate in the hopes out of a significant price surge? Alternately, are they planning to hold on for the long haul, putting their money on XRP becoming an influential figure in international finance? Traders and analysts are always on edge because of these kinds of queries, carefully observing every step. These massive transactions provide valuable insight into the inner workings of Ripple as the company adapts to changing market conditions and navigates a challenging regulatory environment. Moving such large quantities of XRP, particularly to exchanges for trading or liquidity purposes, indicates that the market is actively changing. In fact, it's bursting at the seams with opportunity. Since the history of XRP is enhanced with every transaction, the sole remaining inquiry is, how do you feel about that? Is XRP Ripple token a good investment? Can you share